Everyone's talking about selling digital products with Claude, but no one is actually showing you how to do it. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start selling your digital products with the help of Claude, starting with this very first step. Now, before we put any kind of prompt into Claude, the very first thing that you need to be able to do is answer these three questions. The first question being, who is this product for? The second question is, what is it going to help them solve? And the third question is going to be, why do they actually need it? Now, if you don't know the answer to these questions, Claude is simply going to spit out some generic product idea that's not going to be useful, and ultimately it will not sell. So you need to understand exactly who you are helping, the problem that you're helping them solve, and why they actually need your digital product in the first place. Now, if you're sitting here thinking, well, I don't have the answers to these questions, then you need to do the next steps, which is doing a little bit of research to help jog your mind to come up with these answers. Now, I'm going to give you three ways that you can come up with the answers to these questions. The first way is going to be what I call data diving, and that is literally just looking at the data that's out there, whether you have an audience already, so you have some customer data, or you have data on what content that you're creating that's performing well, or just looking to see what's performing well out in the marketplace. You need to look at data, and that's going to help you see exactly what people are interested in and what problems they need help solving. The second way is what I call people probing, and this is probably the best way that you can do it, and that is literally going to people and surveying, polling, and asking them questions to figure out exactly what they need help with and what problem they want solved. And then lastly is what I call social scoping, and that's going out on social media, going on Reddit, going on, the comments of social media posts, just to see what questions people are asking and what they actually need help with. Now, you can do either of these three, or you can do all of them, but this will give you the information you need to answer that who, what, why question. And once you know the answers to those questions, then we can move on to the next step, which is having Claude help us create that product. Now, once you have the answer to that question, the next thing I want you to do is type in this prompt into Claude. Now, I actually have a shortcut for this that I'll share with you in a little bit, but for now, we just want to type in this prompt that I'm going to share. And the prompt just reads like this: help me come up with 3 digital product ideas for who. You want to input the who. That will what, so what is it going to help them do, so that they can why. All right, so that is the general idea of the prompt. Only provide product ideas that are likely to sell and help people with this transformation. So I have gone ahead and I have written out my prompt. And so as you can see, I'm just going to paste it here, and it just says, help me come up with 3 digital product ideas for moms that will help them create digital products faster so that they can make money from home and leave their 9 to 5. All right. So I am just going to hit go on that prompt and let Claude do its thing. So as you can see, Claude did exactly what I asked it to do, which was generate 3 digital product ideas. So it gave me a product template, a vault, it gave me a swipe file, and then it gave me a mini membership. And I'm just going to evaluate which one I think is doable and makes sense for me and what I actually want to create as a product. Now, I did mention that I do have a shortcut for doing this. So instead of typing in that prompt, I do have an idea to offer quiz where you can answer basically the same questions. It'll be able to spit out a product idea as well as how to price it and a lot more information. So you can grab that in the link in the description if you just want to take that quiz, but you can simply follow the prompt that I just gave in Claude and it will give you the same or similar results. All right, so I'm going to go in this case with the prompt to launch swipe file, and I'm just going to have Claude create that particular product. Now, here's the thing: when it comes to selling digital products with Claude, Claude does a great job at creating things like ebooks or even templates. It can do that within Claude, but when you're talking about things like courses or, like it mentioned, a membership, it will help you come up with the idea and the content, but it will not produce it for you. So just keep that in mind when you're creating your digital products. There are certain things that Claude can do very well within its own system. However, there are some things where it's just going to help you flesh out ideas, come up with content, that sort of thing. So I'm going to go with the swipe files. And so in this case, what I like to do when I'm creating my digital products with Claude is I like to feed it as much information as possible. I don't leave Claude to its own devices where it just creates anything on its own. I want to feed it my thought process, my frameworks, my systems, my intellectual property for it to create the file. Literally, I just want to use Claude to organize my thoughts that are already in my head. And so that's what I recommend for you as well. I don't want you to just rely on AI to completely create your product. That devoids you of any thought, any input in it. I want you to give it your thoughts, give it your frameworks, give it your processes, your notes that you have around this subject matter, so that it can simply just organize what you already have in a way that's sellable and in a way that can help someone get a transformation. Now, like I said, I am going to go with option number 2, which is a swipe file. And I actually already have an AI prompt swipe file that I'm going to use to create the product that Claude just recommended. So I'm going to go over to my product prompts, which is something that you can grab in the description. Really low cost, but it literally is my AI prompts for creating digital products. So again, it's recommended that I actually make this as a product. So I'm going to go to that same product, grab the prompt just to create another version of it so you can see how it works. Okay, so what I've done here is I basically said, hey, use my prompt from my product prompts, which is my product that I have, to generate another AI prompt file based on the product idea in number 2. So basically I'm telling it, use this prompt to create the prompt file, which is going to be my digital product. And I'm going to hit go and I'm going to let it create that particular digital product. So it may take a while and I'm going to come back once that's done. All right. So within a few seconds, it created an AI prompt file pretty much for people to swipe. So product outline generator, sales copy generator, cover and visual concept generator, and funnel and launch sequence builder. So actually something that I probably could actually sell. But nonetheless, what I could do is I can open this up in Google Drive and format it a little bit, but I'm actually going to have Claude try to format it for something that I can actually sell, because I don't want to do any more work. I would review this. If this was a real product, obviously I would review it. I will test things out. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to take it as it is. And I'm just going to ask Claude to make it something that's sellable. So adding a cover page, adding all those, my brand colors, all those things that will make it a product that I would actually sell. All right. So within the chat, I've just added a prompt to have it literally make it presentable to sell using my brand colors and adding a cover page and copyright information. So I'm going to hit go on that particular prompt and let's see what it generates. All right, it took a minute. It got hung up for just a few minutes, but nonetheless, it was able to produce a PDF version of the swipe file. So as you can see, it is in my brand colors. It is organized. It is something that I literally could just download and sell at this point. And so as you can see, I was able to not only come up with the idea in Claude, but Claude was actually able to create the actual product that I can now sell. So I would simply just download that and I would have it saved as a PDF. Now, of course, we don't just need the product, we actually have to sell it. And so contrary to what you may have seen online where people are saying that Claude can sell for you, Claude absolutely cannot sell for you. However, it can help you in your sales process. So I'm going to have Claude do 3 specific things when it comes to selling. The first thing I'm going to have it do is come up with my product mockup image that I'm going to use on my checkout page. It's going to come up with my checkout page copy, and then I'm going to have it create the delivery email that people will get once they make their purchase and they are able to access it and download the actual product. So those are the 3 things that I'm going to use Claude for. Again, Claude cannot sell for you. Claude can help you do the heavy lifting when it comes to your sales process. So I'm going to head back over to the chat. I'm going to let Claude know that, hey, I'm ready to sell this and I need your help with these 3 things. All right, so I'm back in the chat and I've essentially gone ahead and put this prompt in. It's something simple. I don't necessarily have a set prompt that I use for it, but I basically told Claude that, hey, now I need you to create a digital product mockup to use on my checkout page. I need you to make my checkout page copy. That's going to be minimal. So I just need you to write my headline, subheadline, and then bullet points about the product. And then the third thing I'm asking it to do is write the email copy for the product delivery. So once someone purchases it, I want it to write the email for them to be able to download it. Now, usually I would do these in separate prompts, but I'm going to have at it with one go to see what Claude can do. Now, I've shown this before in a previous video, but you can use Claude Design to come up with your product mockups. I've done this several times. Nonetheless, I'm going to see what Claude can actually do in the chat without having to go separately into Claude Design to be able to create that. And this is for those of you who ask, well, do I have to have the pro account or can I do the free account? If it can do it in the chat, I'm almost sure that it could probably do it on the free account. If I were to go to Claude Design, I do think that is a pro feature. So I want to see what it can do in the chat so that if you do have the free account, you'll be able to do all the steps as I've outlined. All right, and literally just like that, in seconds, Claude was able to not only create this mockup file that I can then download and use on my checkout page, but it also gave me my checkout page headline, my subheader, and all of the bullet points to include on my checkout page along with the product delivery email. Now, obviously, Claude cannot be a checkout page or an email. It can't send out the email directly, but I can take this and paste it into my CRM literally as is. Obviously, if I need to fill anything, it will do that. But nonetheless, I can just take this to my CRM. So for me, I use System.io. Now, I'm not going to show that here. I do have a whole complete tutorial on how to set up a sales funnel in System.io, which is something that you can actually use for free. They have a free account that you can sell your digital products on up to $10,000 in sales. So you definitely want to check that out, but I will leave that linked at the end of this video for you to watch on how to set up that 3-step funnel, which is a checkout page, a thank you page, and then the delivery email. But nonetheless, you've seen it for yourself that I just gave Claude that simple command and it was able to generate the actual mock-up of the digital product here that I can download, add to that checkout page along with everything else that I have asked it to do. Now, there's one last thing that we're going to have Claude do to help us sell our digital products from A to Z. So we have the idea, we have the product, we have everything that we need for our sales funnel. Now we actually need to create content to market this product. And so in this case, I'm going to have Claude use my YouTube script template, which is in my viral views toolkit, which you can grab in the description. But I want to have it use that template to generate a YouTube script, come up with the idea for me to actually sell this digital product. So you guys may not know, but I primarily use YouTube to sell my digital products. And that is what I recommend 100% for everyone to do. Nonetheless, I'm going to have it come up with the content idea, write out the script, and then all I literally have to do is record that video, post it, and it's just going to drive people to the checkout page so that I can start making sales of my digital product. So I'm going to have it go in, create that script for me so that all I will have to do is record it. So I'm going to grab my script template. I'm going to put it within the chat. Again, you can grab it in the Viral Views Toolkit, but I'm going to grab that, put it in the chat, and have it generate my content. All right, so I have pasted the script and I told it, hey, use my script to come up with a video idea and script to actually sell this digital product. And I'm just going to hit go and let's see what it comes up with. And literally just like that, Claude came up with what could be a doable video idea if I were actually selling this digital product. So it gave me the video title, it gave me the format, approximately how long it's going to be, and then it gave me the script based on my script template. So it gave me the hook. I have my credibility, I talk about what they'll get, and then it just gave me all the content points, and it included my call to actions, which is the most important thing because that's how you're actually going to sell your digital products, by actually driving people to the checkout page, letting them know that you have a product to offer that solves their problem. So this was something really quick. This video obviously is so short. It will not be 6 to 9 minutes. Nonetheless, it gave me a framework and a skeleton for me to be able to create an actual video that would generate sales of this digital product. So literally at this point, all I have to do is record the video, post it, and it's going to drive people to the checkout page so that I can actually make digital product sales. This is how you use Claude to sell your digital products. We just went through 3 full steps of ideation, creation, implementation. So we came up with the idea with the help of Claude. We created it fully in Claude, and then we implemented the sales funnel and the actual sales process by coming up with everything that we need for our sales funnel, as well as getting the marketing material to actually market the digital product so that it can sell on Evergreen. Now, like I said, you of course are going to have your sales funnel set up. So check out this video where I break down exactly how to set up your sales funnel within a free system account.